Hi everyone and welcome back to Colour Your Senses with Crown Paints and Good Food. Today I'm here with Helena and we're going to be talking about how she's brought the colours and flavours of Italy into her home. So tell me a bit more about your inspiration.
My partner and I's favourite ever holiday was when we went to Tuscany. It was the most beautiful place in the world. It had these rolling green hills, so many vineyards. It was delightful. So when we came home, we knew we wanted to bring that kind of earthy greenery into our home. So we did our research and we came across Crown Paints and this gorgeous shade, which is a Woodland Wanderer, and we were so happy with it. It feels so peaceful, so relaxing.
I love it. I always really love greens, especially in a living room scheme, but this deep, rich, calming green you've gone for, it works so well in this space. I love how you've incorporated all the natural textures and you've kind of got like Tuscan vibes with like the raw materials and natural stone and wood. Really great job, love that.
So when we came back from Italy, I was inspired in my home, but I was also inspired in the kitchen. So I came up with this recipe, which is these kind of aperitivo time snacks. In Italy, aperitivo time, you're having a little snack with a little drink, and we came up with these gorgeous crispy fried ravioli with a basil pesto dip and a mint spritz to go alongside. So they are the perfect little snack before your main meal. So I'm making a delicious mint spritz here. I've filled the glass with some elderflower liqueur, which is really delicious. We are trying to evoke Italy, but we are in England after all. So elderflower, some mint, some lime juice for a lovely bit of acidity, because the lovely creaminess of the pesto dip goes really nicely with kind of acidic bite from the drink. So I've mixed all of those together, and you can pick a few more to go in. And then we top it up with some delightful Prosecco.
Oh, look at that.
And then we'll give it a gentle stir. And of course, we must garnish with a little bit more mint. Beautiful. Well, cheers.
Cheers. Oh, wow.
Delicious. So zesty, so fresh.
It's really zingy.
Yeah, it'll be absolutely delicious with the crispy ravioli if you'd like to give it a try.
I would love to give it a try.
Good.
What a combination.
Yeah.
So good. I love that. It's like pine nuts in the top.
Yeah, makes it look really fancy.
Oh wow.
So good. The basil, the cheese. It's bringing me back to Italy.
Love it. So why do the flavours of this cocktail work so well with the ravioli?
Well, the ravioli is a really creamy, rich, it's got a lovely kind of crispy flavour, and you need something that cuts through that a little bit, otherwise you feel a bit full before you've even had your main meal, which is not the point of aperitivo time. So we've got lots of acidity, lots of mint, lots of freshness in the drink, so it helps balance it out really nicely.
It works so well together, it's really delicious. It really is the perfect pairing. If you fancy trying this at home, you can find the full recipe and more colour inspiration on our Crown Paints hub.